What up, YouTube? Bro, phone back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And I'm gonna spray horticultural and dormant oil on my fruit trees. And I know somebody in the back, bro, phone, I thought you didn't spray that on your tree. Shut up, I ain't get no plum last year. So darn what I said last week or last year, we finna spray these trees. I want some goddamn plum. All right, y'all, and this is what I'm gonna be spraying: all season horticultural and dormant spray oil. Yeah. How can you be organic in a plastic? Don't worry about it. Don't focus on that. Don't focus on that. This is what we need to do. Get rid of the insects. And the big thing with it that I wanted to try it is it kills overwintering eggs. So some of the pests that I had problems with last year on my trees, I know they still there, and I want to kill the eggs. Now it's a whole booklet of things that it take care of, but not only do it help with insects, but also diseases. Now, if I've done this correctly, this would have been my third application. You don't want to wait till your buds start swelling up. I should have did one application this early fall, another one around Thanksgiving, and then the third one would have been around now. All right, and it has a booklet to go through all the different crops and, you know, everything. Plums. Now, the bug that I had a problem with was the plum curculio bug. I don't see it here, but we're gonna shoot for that one too, just to see what happened. Then once I start getting fruit set, I'm gonna go back and put some kaolin clay on it. Now that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. We'll talk in the comments. That's all I'm saying. All right. Says 2 tablespoons per gallon. This is a 2-gallon sprayer. So 2 of these, and we'll be off to the races. That's 1. That's 2. All right. I just don't want to leave y'all out of none of the steps. We're gonna get it ready to roll, baby. All right, before we get started, safety. Got my safety glasses on, got my hat on. Ready to work. All right, now this is the plum tree that I had, plum curculio or whatever you want to call it. Bugs all over, I can barely get in the plum. So hopefully I can kill some of those eggs. And if it's disease in the tree, maybe I can get that too, y'all. We trying some, okay? Follow along. So, supposed to spray in all the cracks on the tree. Make sure ain't no eggs in the cracks. And cover all the branches. All right, I got it covered. So while I got the spray, I'm gonna hit some of these peach trees too, just to make sure, y'all. I hate to have it and then I get bugs and like, man, I should have sprayed it. You're not supposed to use this when it's below 40 degrees. And you don't want to use it once everything starts flowering. That's my understanding from my research. Please do your own research before you start spraying anything on your trees. All right, I got all my apples done. I got all my trees done, my pears. And it's supposed to sit for 48 hours. So we're not expecting any rain in 48 hours. But it's Georgia, who knows? But it looked like it dries up really quick. Hopefully I can get some cherries this year. Wouldn't that be cool? But yeah, everything is ready to go, y'all. But why is that so important that I sprayed this stuff? All right, now if y'all watch my channel, y'all know I don't do all that doomsday stuff saying the world coming to an end and all. But it's a lot of things going on. It's a lot of factors and a lot of things that used to be normal, probably going forward will be a luxury items. Things like fruit. I hate to say it like this, almost to a point where you're gonna be darn near rich to be able to afford fruit. I just said what I said. Do your own research. Don't listen to some guy named Broke Farm on YouTube. But I got a lot of plums last year, but bug got to them, a disease got to them, whatever you want to call it. So I'm taking added measures to make sure I can get some fruit, because it's not just a fun thing of me having a bunch of fruit trees in my backyard. It could come to a barter situation where I have enough fruit where I can get eggs or something. You never know how bad something can get. So you just always prepare just in case. It's always good to be prepared for anything that's upcoming. But for me, I feel like having fruit trees is almost part of having a home. I mean, long time ago, everybody grew food, everybody had fruit trees, and it was just normal. It might be time to normalize having fruit trees and having a garden. I don't know who need to hear this, but if you've been watching gardening videos for 2 years and buying seeds and learning how to do it, it's your time. You pass by all those fruit trees and Tractor Supply for $14, you like, oh man, that'd be cool to have. It's time to buy. Stop passing by affordable food, because it might be a time where you need that food to survive. I'm not saying the world coming to an end. All I'm saying is everything that used to be affordable might not be affordable going forward. Just get your fruit tree on, get your garden on, and if you need any help, holler at your guy Broke Farmer at brokefarmer76@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all watching this video, man. I'm out.